Tipra Motha supporters protested and gheraod the Radhapur Police Station on Wednesday, demanding the arrest of the culprits who attacked members of their party members. An FIR has also been filed by the victims at the Radhapur Police Station against the 8 accused. According to reports, a joining-come program was organized on Tuesday at the Khumulung Mongol Market. Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha was scheduled to be the chief guest at the event. However, prior to the joining-come program beginning, 4 members of the Tipra Motha party were allegedly attacked and beaten by BJP supporters in front of the BJP office in Khumulung. Following the incident, the victims were immediately taken to Khumulung Khorang Hospital. After being informed of the clash, Tipra Motha leaders including MLA Biswajit Debarma, MLA Sopan Debarma, MDC Ganesh Debarma, YTF State President Suraj Debarma, Jiten Debarma and Lemon Debarma rushed the Khumulung Khorang Hospital to meet the injured members. Related to the incident, Tipra Motha supporters filed a first information report at Radhapur Police Station against the alleged attackers. However, when the Radhapur police failed to arrest any of the accused involved, Tipra Motha supporters protested and gheraod the Radhapur Police Station on Wednesday, demanding the immediate arrest of the culprits. MLA Biswajit Koloi, MLA Sopan Debarma, MDC Ganesh Debarma and others were present during the gheraod at Radhapur Police Station. Tipra Motha supporters demanded the police to arrest the culprits within 24 to 72 hours.
Actually, Mia Je Gotananka, more belay Dukojono, that unexpected, more Natomania, Mokisu area of Duskriti, Hayakai. Kun ekta party ni cadre mo kun motifan sung accept khane bu kogya yago selai lathi da batiye area wo guri dona ni kun ko प्रश्न ni kudai amre bagai ang especially SP bu kok saka or tini additional SP shok bakya the SDP to tongono sungya harbo obran mungoi affair thekya FR Femania Golo Brock House and Honey Bishop case registered Kakia, Zeta Arms Act, case register. More non available warrant, police Jotesto, Bruno Bochesta Kaitongo, Sen Hyper Brono Saka, Chobis Gontatu, Bahatur Gont and Bishop Brosono, result non by Brosono Coglica, J. Immediately burn you against so action nazak nai karon mo sakasan jodi area ho kono karone pistol tui guri tongke bokhana jodi kogori khe boino who is the responsible that time gamni bagi poro jotisto investigation plus action detain khane ni bagai bochono kogri kha 24 72 ঘন্টা ni bisingo jodi 72 ঘন্টা ni bisingo rommayan ke जों हाय protest खायना हायाखै जों public खालामनो रम बरिनो हेसि police रम मायाखै जों public खालामनो रम बरिनो हेसि न ready दंसला नांखाय जों area नि बासिरो public नांखाय जों नगराव थामसो रुतुंनो हेसि जों যথেষ্ট सरकारनो सुजुग दिखा प्रशासन सुजुग दिखा 72 घंटा एरमाइन परेके जों एक्शन खायनाय जों बुनायने हेसि जों किन्तु केउ ना area wa सेलाय गुन्दा मस्तान खाय दना बे जों सुजुग रिमे गान बाय पर कोन चनो कग रिखा तिनी एसपी बो साका ताइब्रन डीजीपी बो जों बरो बॉडी मेसेज रहरजा दे विल टेक एक्शन गाबन बाय पर 72 घंटा चनो समय साननाका ताइ जों तिनी कारण बिनी फैमिली रक तिनी जेमिया खरब बरि हार्ट इंजुर नाय रक मोबाइल सीरियस कंडीशन जों मिया थांनि नायका हॉस्पिटल ताइब्रन बिथि बराय रक बिनी सीटी स्कैन खायना रक ते बिनी फैमिली वो जों जबानाय परनो जा सुबाय मामानि जों जबानाय जिसोर मानसर जों सुबाय मा दंनाय ताइ केबु खाबाय ना देखे दंदि ताइ तिनि तिनि अ तालारिमेन अबो जों एश्योरेंस माखा जों सक्सेस नंखा जदि याखा आगामिना जों हाय खायफिनाय आरो मन बाय कुनो नरक बहनि मानो ओइ फायखाबा तां खायने बाने पुलिस के लोग लेकिन बर रुतुगरम ना बाकस नगस करिन कके बर टेकिंग खाने सुजुग मारिनाय बर रनाय सुजुग जों मारिनाय जेहेतु गान बगै जों आपातत तिनि चिनि अ मुभमेन्ट अमसकन जों पाइलायनाय जदि रमिया के जों बस नेक्स्ट 72 घंटानि परे जों हाय चिनि मुभमेन्ट जों सुरु खायनाय हायके जों नांखाय पब्लिक जों नांखाय बासे रमनाय हेसि आन बगै नरक रेडी तंदि ताइ तिनि चिनि अ जे नरकनि जे अ मुभमेन्ट नरकनि अ जे तिनि पुलिस रमना नरक गो खायकिया अब जों सक्सेस न ता जों चिनि अरनि चिनि अबनो जों तालाब खुलो लायनाय ता जों मो तिनि अरन पाइलायना आपातत हामबाय जदन थैंक यू
The question remains whether the Radhapur police will arrest the BJP members reportedly involved in the recent acts of vandalism and violence within the stipulated 72 hours. Time will tell. Simultaneously, an FIR has also been filed at Radhapur Police Station against 6 to 7 Tipra Motha supporters for the alleged vandalization and burning of the BJP party office at Khumulum. Now the dilemma for the police is significant. Whom will they arrest and whom will they release? The police face a challenging situation. Reporter Simon from Khumulu, Chini Khorang.